What's up guys, it's Justin here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at one of the biggest malls in all of Southeast Asia.
Just booked the Grab and it smells so bad that I told them to pull over and drop us off because we're going to the Mall of Asia today and it's like a 45-minute drive. Oh my goodness. Just step out of there and book a new one.
As you can see, we had to get a new Grab, and luckily on our second try it smelled perfect. So we're actually out in the Mall of Asia in Manila, Philippines. This mall is huge. If you hadn't gotten that message, it's very tall, very bright, very white, very clean, very colorful. There's a lot of rainbows actually inside of this mall, and it has podium-like mall vibes that I actually covered on another video. Kind of looks like a spaceship in the inside in a way. Lots of little niche and specialist type stores. They had a slime thing going on here. They had this interesting store right here for clothing that I'd never seen before. Same with this one called Tribal, which is like for sports fans. Apple and Eve, which is kind of like an upper middle class for women's clothing. Then they have this giant food court right here that is just huge and it's beautiful looking. They've got an ice skating rink, as you can see right here. They're actually doing a promotion for the new Game of Thrones prequel that's supposed to be launching soon on HBO Go, so that's what that was. This is the food court, and it has like a forest jungle kind of vibe. It's huge, as you can see from this one shot here. They have like a slide here for kids, which was super cool. Everything's made out of like, the chairs are made out of like wood. They have a laser tag arena. So here's just another shot from the ceiling looking down of the MOA food hall, which is just beautiful and big and clean.
So, what do you think of the mall so far? It's not small. No, it's not.
The SM store is very large. It's a giant department store, and I definitely would recommend it for all different types of items at a much less cost. It was actually raining when we went, so we did our best to get some footage from outside, but it was actually still quite pretty despite the rain, but not as many vendors on the outside part of the actual mall when we were outside in this particular time. Got this super fancy rainbow staircase. That was interesting. This store surplus right here is a great shop for finding things at much less cost.
Oh my god, I am so ready to eat. Are you hungry? Yes, she is. We're gonna do this right about.
This sushi place was simply incredible. I highly recommend it. The sushi tastes better than it looked. And of course we had to get a dessert, so we didn't miss an opportunity to stop by Cinnabon. Oh my goodness. And that just about ends this video. This has been Justin Spencer. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more. You rock, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.